Namaste, this is Yamalika, and in today's video, I'm going to share you all a very funny and a humorous story. So, once in a village, there lived an old miserly couple. They, with the money they have, they could have lived a very lavish life. But what is the use? They thought that spending money is wasting money. And then they didn't even have proper basic necessities also. And you must have imagined, you must have a vivid imagination about them. In our homes, mothers prepare all kinds of delicacies. With their what that day mama prepares, bland food, nothing tasty. And he also agreed with her. Yes, that is called saving money. They had no children. So this was how they lived. And beside their house, there was a very new building. And for that, who shifted? A new couple. They had like a first standard or second standard boy. And that day was his birthday. Whenever we have birthdays, what do we do? Yes, we distribute sweets, chocolates, and pens to our friends and family. Same way, the mother sent two basin laddus. Like they got to know that there was an old couple living beside their house. So the mother sent with the boy two basin laddus and told, go and give them these two laddus as it's on the occasion of your birthday. The boy went and gave them one basin laddu. And that was the first time after many years they're eating something delicious like basil laddu. So they took a bite, they wished him, and he went away. They were talking about it so busily. 1 week passed. Still, they were talking about it. Oh, how the ghee was dripped in it. How soft was it? How delicious was it? 2 weeks passed. Same thing. How was it? How beautiful it was? How tasty it was? That appearance. Oh my god, I would like to take it and have a bite. They were busy chatting that, this, that, besan laddu, besan laddu. And finally, the old woman could take it no longer. She told to the old man, that is Devapam, see, I want to eat that besan laddu. You do one thing. You go to the market and get the ingredients to make only two besan laddus. How many besan laddus? Only two. To save money. And this old man, Devappa, he readily agreed. Ah, okay, yes, I'll go bring ingredients. Now, what are the basic ingredients to make a besan laddu? Ghee, that gram flour, butter, sugar. No, it's the basic ingredients. So the old woman, that is Devamma, told to Devappa, you see here, I'll give you one big steel box. In that, till here you have to bring ghee. What Devappa told, eh, hey, this is much big steel box. I have my turban. I will go and get it. See. Now she was puzzled. Hey, this man with turban, what he will get? Like that she was thinking. He went to that ghee store. He told that boy or the man who was working there that show me the best ghee. He took him to a big, like one. It's a very big picture, a very big pot, full ghee was there. Now, what did this Devappa did? He bent down in the pretext of smelling it, and purposefully he made his turban fall. He bent down and the turban fell. Now it will be dripped with ghee. That man was shocked. He thought that the Devappa will get angry, the old man will get angry. She was like, sir, sorry, sir. I will wash it and then nicely I will just put little more all these. We'll put no the comfort and all. Nice smell I'll make it, sir. This ghee smell only will not come, sir. I'm really sorry, sir. What this old man did? Oh, no. Nothing will happen. I will take my turban back. He took the turban like that. Told him more ghee he took. He ran home. She's like, come, Devamma, bring one big steel box. Bring. She started shouting. She got very scared. What, this man coming home and shouting? She bought. And what he did, he squeezed it. And then came the ghee. He's like, see, with my intelligence, I've bought you this much ghee. Now she was like, OMG, what is this good idea? Then she asked, what about the gram flour and the sugar? He went to the stores. He again made his turban drop. He scooped and bought her. Finally, with this type of method, he got all the ingredients. Now, Devamma set to work. What she told to Devapam, you see, dear, if I make these besan laddus at home, the smell of them will go to the other houses, and they will also come and ask us, please, 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 even I want this besan laddus. How can we give them our hard work? This is so. What did the Devappa told? I have an idea. There is one nearby woods there. Let's go there, cook there, and then come into home and we will eat. Then no smell will come. Devan was like, aha, good idea. They went to the nearby woods. She cooked. But as she rarely prepared such a delicious one, besan laddu, measurements were wrong. Instead of two besan laddus, how many besan laddus should she make? Three. One extra. If it happens to us, we readily, aha, one more extra is there, we'll eat. But what happened to these two? One they ate. The last laddu was there. And what did Devamma tell? Well, this is the last laddu, no? As I prepared with such hard work, I will take this. Aha, Devappa is the one who is ready to agree. No chance. He started arguing. Well, with that much intelligence, smartness, hard work, I went and got all the ingredients right. I have to get there. And both started arguing nicely. They came home and they were like, fine, we will do one competition. We both should maintain silence. Like Devapa is selling all this. We both should maintain silence. Whoever speaks first or breaks the silence, the other one, that person is considered loser. And the winner will get the last one. And then start. They started the competition. Silent, silent. Sitting like that truly. Like statues they were sitting. Now, usually in villages, what happens? Like we will be coming out, we'll be interacting with our neighbors and all. If at all a person is not coming for a long time, the neighbors won't they get suspicious? They were thinking, ayo, Papa, they are old couple. What must have happened to them? Let's go and check. From outside, they started shouting, Devama, Devappa. They started shouting. They could have responded. They could have responded. But competition was there. Last laddu, very important. So what they did? They kept quiet. And now these people who were outside, the neighbors, they got scared. Ayo, old couple. They were like a mother to me, father to me. And they took one big wooden stick and started banging the door. Now, if at all the competition for that basin laddu wasn't there, they both would have shouted because for them a door is very costly. And then if it is broken, how much disappointed they must have been. So what did they do? They were like, still they kept quiet. They didn't at all speak because last laddu no. And then the door also went down. They came. They were very happy at first seeing these two alive only. Then they're not moving because they should not break the silence. Sitting still like this, looking at each other with the laddu in front of them and on the table. They're like, these people got dead. OMG. They started crying. One person, what they told, Papa, for them there is no son, no daughter. Let us only cremate them. The other villages also agreed. At least at this point of time, they could have said, no, we are alive, we were playing this competition. But no, last laddu. They left like that. They kept quiet, both of them. They even carried them both and they built a pyre, kept them on the pyre. At the last moment, like they even took a wooden stick, they lighted fire for that and they have it in their hands and they are going to lit the fire. At that moment, at the last moment, finally, Devamma started shouting, no, I am alive, no, I am alive. Now, by this, what the villagers would have thought. A ghost is coming alive, they all ran off. Till now, Devappa had been quiet. He was so addicted. He wanted that last laddu. Then he jumped up and he's laughing and dancing. I am the winner. I get the last laddu. And they both raced back home. But what's the use? The door had been broken, front door. So the house was like anyone can enter. And a stray dog had entered and it was licking the last crumbs of the laddu. That's when these two came into the scene. So, this is how humorous and how a funny ending for this story. And if you laughed even a little for this story, then please do click that like button over there and subscribe my Rocking New Charms channel. And comment me what you need next. Follow us for more fun in Rocking New Charms. Thank you.